Have you ever wanted to make an art piece but your body does not feel like doing it? Well, in this video I'll be discussing about that while I do this piece of quick sketch, and I'll be talking about what I exactly do after a long break from doing art and when my soul wants to make a piece of art but my body doesn't feel like doing it. So the trick to handling this feeling is hidden in this video. Actually, that is exactly how I'm currently feeling, and it's why I picked on recording myself doing this easy and quick sketch to show you how I usually get myself to start doing art or get back into doing art fully after a long break. It's just when I've gotten back from being busy with all the schoolwork, classes, and running other errands and sort of stuffs. And then I noticed a really crave of making an art piece and coming up with an art idea, and seeing it come from the sketches and the scraps to fruition. It's just a feeling that you can't compare. That feeling that you think to yourself that, what did I just really make that thing? Did this thing really came out exactly as I wanted? If you are an artist, I know you can relate to that feeling. I've been juggling thoughts in my mind, and some telling me to sit down and start making any art, while another thought trying to oppose that, telling me that now is not the right time. Making any art piece can wait until tomorrow or maybe another day. And I can tell you for free that this went on for about 3 weeks. Yeah. And it's tonight that I decided to make this quick sketch. Something just flashed in my head during the day, and I've decided that tonight I'll draw it on paper, and I think it's time we go to see what the idea will turn out in paper. Alright, so back to the elephant in the room. Getting yourself back into the steering of making your magical art pieces. It's until I've started doing this piece of art that I realized how getting back to doing art isn't that hard. All you have to do is just grab your pencil or paint and paintbrush and immediately start making any sketches or paintings without any thought. It doesn't matter how easy the art piece is, just create it. In fact, the easier, the better. Keep in mind the sketch is just for making yourself get acquainted with your long lost hobby. While drawing or doing the painting, make sure you give it your all. Pour all your artistic abilities so as to make it look more brilliant and that anyone would have ever thought it would look like. I bet you after getting through with this process and coming up with something simple but magical, yourself will already be in sync with the need of you getting back into making more art pieces and more other fantastic creative ideas on paper or on canvas. And without a doubt, that's exactly how I usually get myself to be inspired to come back into making art pieces after a long period of break. One great thing you need to note is to always start even if you aren't ready. That's the main point of this. Just make something. And this doesn't only apply to artistic skills or art only. It can be applied to any goal that you want to achieve. It is the best way to overcome the fear of starting to do anything or taking another step of your life. You just have to start now. Now is the time